Hi, beloved in the Lord. My name is Emily. To say thank you so much, guys, for tuning into yet another prophetic word. May Almighty God bless and keep you safe, sound, and protected, beloved. I'm so happy for you, okay? Because the counterfeit is gradually being sent packing, okay? Yes, it's melting down. It's that relationship is melting down, okay? For you to take control, all right? Beloved, listen, it was a battle, okay, and there was a confusion, and the thing is that both of you had counterfeits, okay, both of you had counterfeit. I didn't even know what you're going to do, to escape from the counterfeit because they held you so tight. They were seducing you. In fact, they engaged you in so many things that it was difficult for you to break out. But the Lord is saying that He Himself is causing this breakout, is causing this breakup. The Lord said He Himself is causing the meltdown of the relationship between you and the counterfeit. Okay. Or between your kingdom spouse and his or her own counterfeit. All right, Lord is saying that they are finally being sent, they are gradually being sent packing. All right, meaning that God is gradually removing them from your lives, that both of you can come into harmony and do the work of God together. Okay, you'll be happy, beloved. You'll be happy that you waited. You'll be happy. Because what is coming towards you, beloved, is nothing but the will of God. What is coming towards you is nothing but peace, happiness, harmony, fulfillment. Even though they'll be interfering, it's just because both of you had children with your counterfeits. And sometimes, when you have children with people, you don't usually, there's always there's that communication that must take place because, for the well-being of the kids, okay, or whatever that joins you with the counterfeit. The Lord is saying that He's going to bring a solution to that, okay, just so that you can unite with your kingdom spouse and live in harmony to the glory of God, okay. But all in all, those counterfeits are gradually being sent packing. They are gradually being removed from your life. All right. Don't worry about it. You'll be so happy that you waited for things to finally take its rightful place in your life. Don't hurry it, okay? God bless you. God bless you. Just keep praying because it is going to be so wonderful and glorious. All right. God bless you. I'm Emily. Faith is a vehicle of our strength. See you in the next video.